Meet Mike Norton. Mike is an engineer at CorComp who helped to design the 9900 expansion system. Mike's going to take us on a tour of the CorComp facilities and show us the new Memory Plus card. Let's take a look at how the products are assembled.
This is C.J. Rogers' assembly house where all the CorComp products are assembled. Let me give you a little tour of how those products are put together. First, all the components are prepped to be inserted into the circuit boards. Then they are hand stuffed into the circuit board to get prepared for flow solder. Once the boards have been completely stuffed, they are ready to be put into the flow solder machine.
That's what the boards look like up close.
Boards are then placed onto the flow solder machine. The boards are now being taken over the preheater. He's turned on the solder pump. Now it will flow across the board at a very high temperature. It's touching the boards to make sure that no parts raise up.
Now we're in the lab where Mike's going to show us a product that greatly expands the memory of the TI-99.
Memory Plus product can be thought of as a very fast disk drive. For example, if you have a database program that you would want to sort, say, 100 records, in a disk drive it would take approximately 26 seconds, whereas in the Memory Plus card it takes approximately 6 seconds. So you can see it's a drastic reduction in time to run your particular program.
The Memory Plus hardware is controlled by the RAM Disk Manager software. We've loaded Multiplan into the program to show you just how fast it really is.
Now I can exit the RAM Disk Manager, select 3 for Multiplan, press the Enter key, and now it is loading out of the Memory Plus. And that took approximately 6 seconds. So you can see the speed increases is about 4 times.